This is my cool outdoor speaker box. Made that out of an old heater fan I found. Here we go. Hey guys, so I liked my outdoor speaker idea so much that I acquired another little space heater on eBay. Got it real cheap. It was a good deal, and here it is. It's a Tropic Air. The back has nice little louvers on it. Kind of cool looking. I've already managed to polish this. There's a little white writing there. I may touch that up or just take all the white off, but that came out so nice. I'm gonna probably pick a color that kind of goes with that. This was rusty. I've been just gray scuff padding it with some aluminum cleaner. I may just clear coat this now. I was gonna paint it, but chrome came back. It's got kind of a nice look. Here's the guts of the thing. I'm going to take the fan out and put a speaker there. It does work. It does blow warm air, but it doesn't, that heating element doesn't completely heat up. And the fan rattles a little bit, but that's okay, it's all coming out. But that's how it works. This is supposedly 50s vintage, but we're going to make a speaker out of it. An outdoor speaker box. Oh, 2014 Fiesta color. I like that one too. So that was red with a gold pearl over it, very transparent gold pearl. Can't even hardly tell in the cup. And a couple coats of fast dry and clear. So here's about what it's going to look like when it's done. I still don't have everything together. Pretty happy with the look of this. This will be a cool outdoor speaker box. Here's that inside part with the heater element that's just in there for looks. I cleaned up all the little porcelain holders, and the speaker will mount behind this, I think, and that'll be the box. And it'll definitely be a conversation piece for sure.